In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Coinbase prediction markets. Now, if you're trying to bet on events within Coinbase, there is an inbuilt feature within the Coinbase platform. So either using the mobile app of Coinbase or from the web as well, you simply need to head over to the predict option that you should be able to straight away view. Now, before you can bet on events, you need to first of all verify your account. Also make sure that you are eligible, which is you need to be a US resident and you need to be at least 18 years of age, and your account must be verified with your social security number or your tax ID number. Once everything is done, you need to submit your application as well from the predict section that you should be able to see. So as soon as you tap on predict, you'll get a section of submitting your application. Now once everything is done and once everything is set up, all you need to do is just head over to the predict section and then start betting on events. You'll be able to see all of the events that are available, such as sports, crypto, politics, and bunch of other things that are available. You also would be able to see the trending section, where all of the trending events will be straight away visible within this section. So let's say you select a event or trying to bet on a particular event, you'd be able to buy a open position, which is a buy contract. You can simply either tap on buy or the sell depending upon your outcome or depending upon the outcome that you predict, and you'll be able to tap on either yes or no depending upon what you want. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the Coinbase prediction markets. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.